Hi guys, Noah here. Welcome back to my channel, but if you are new here, then welcome to my channel. Today, I don't know if you'll be able to see through the window, but I am actually at Ikea. I'm really excited because it's been a while since I've been to Ikea. I definitely haven't seen any of their new spring collection, so I'm really excited to see that. And of course, we got to check out the plants, the plant pots, all that kind of stuff. I've kind of seen a little bit from other people's videos what they have, so I'm really excited. I do live in Houston, Texas, and there's only one Ikea in all of Houston, so I feel like they should be receiving all of the good stuff, like all of the new collection stuff. So hopefully everything is here that I've seen online. Let's run in, see what they have, and enjoy the view. Starting off, please make sure not to skip this section in Ikea. It's the curtain rods. It's a great place to find different ways to hang your plants. So I've actually used these before, but these ones as well, they're like curtain tie backs, like to hold the curtain back. And I've bought this and just put it straight onto the wall and hung a plant from it. So I think that it's a cool way to get different ideas to hang your plants, because we all know there's not that many. And then this is the same curtain rod that I've used to hang plants before, and this one's in gray. The first one I showed you was in white, and then I also wanted to show you guys that they have everything in black. So there's all different colors for all different types of aesthetics, and they're the same thing. Moving on, they had a ton of faux houseplants, so if you guys are looking for that, definitely make sure to check out Ikea. I also found these concrete planters that are so cool because I'm actually currently making some myself right now. I'm making like marble ones, and I made some trays as well. So I think it's cool to see that Ikea is keeping up with the trend. So I really liked these, and they were only $3.99 for the small size. And then they did have other sizes that I saw later on in the store. Then I saw these begonia maculatas. They're obviously fake, but I just thought they looked really, really good and very realistic. They also had cool domes with different plants inside, and just like I said, a ton of really cool faux houseplants. Obviously, that's not what I'm looking for, but I think that it's such a cute way to decorate your space if you cannot take care of a real houseplant. They also had a ton of vases, which I think would be great for propagations. A lot of the ones I really liked, like these ones, I think are the perfect size and shape for propagations, but I could not find a price anywhere. I know for a fact there's no way it was $19.99 or $9.99. So that was kind of annoying. I literally just spent all this time trying to figure out the price and never really did. I would guess they're anywhere from like $1 to $3 because Ikea is very affordable. They really can't put it for much more than that. But they had a ton of different types of vases that I think you could use for propagation. So this is actually a great place to check out if you need some cute decor for your propagations. Otherwise, I usually just stick with like Dollar Tree or 99-cent store for my vessels for propagating. I also saw this like bird cage looking thing that I thought would be really cute to put a houseplant in. I don't know if I'm crazy or if that's just me, but I just thought that would be kind of cute. I don't really even know why it's in this section. I think it's just like their little home decor knickknacks. But for me, everything is a plant stand. So I always think about it, and I always think like, what plants could I put in here? These bowls were super cute, and I was trying to think of a way to use that for houseplants as well. I did find these metal tins that they seem to have every year. They're 79 cents, super, super cheap, and they're pretty easy to drill a drainage hole in them. I've done it before. And then I was like really surprised with how empty everything was. Like, look at that. Literally, that's how the houseplant section looked, as well as a lot of the pottery. So I was kind of a little bit disappointed because I really wanted to pick up some stuff, but everything that I had wanted was not in stock. This section was just so empty, and yeah, I don't know. But they also have these spray bottles that are great for misting your plants if you need to, or just so many other things you could put in there for plants. Like you could put neem oil in them, or you can make your own kind of pest control for plants. So I've done that. These baskets are new, and I was able to find them. I really like them because they come with the lining already inside them, which most baskets don't have that. So I really like that, and I had seen somebody else find these, so I was happy to be able to see them in person. I did not end up picking any up. I don't necessarily regret it, but I do think they're really cute. So when I do need some new like basket decor, I will definitely get this one because I really like it. So hopefully they don't sell out. These ones are also new with the liners inside that I have seen other people find, so it was really cool to find. I'm not really into this look as much. I think because I have some stuff like it already, so I'm not really like dying to get more. But yeah, these other ones next to it, they've had all year round. And then the concrete trays, which I think are really cool, like the saucers for the planters. And these were pretty heavy, like they weren't fake concrete, they were real, so I really liked it. Cute watering can, but look at all these empty shelves. Like, it was so unfair. I did find some cool hanging stuff. This one I'm pretty sure is new. I have not seen it before ever. It does have the liner as well, and it was tangled up, so it was kind of hard to show you guys, so don't make fun of me. But it was like a different take on a macrame in my opinion. Like, the bottom was basket, but the top was macrame, so I thought that was pretty cute. And then they had a few of them styled, but honestly, so many empty shelves. It was crazy. So moving on along, I was trying to get a few plant stands that they had. This is a new one that they have. I don't necessarily want this one, but I wanted to show you guys. It's $50. They have these that they've always had, but then this one was brand new and I had never heard of it until seeing it here. 34, I believe. Yeah, $34.99, and I wanted it so bad, but I was looking and I could not find it anywhere. It says new on it, so maybe they just haven't gotten it in yet, but they did that with this lamp that I really wanted, and it always said new but never had it in stock. So I don't know what's up with IKEA. If you guys know, please let me know in the comments down below, because they seem to be tricking me all the time. Then they also had this plant stand, which I'm kind of bummed because I recently bought one somewhere else for much more expensive and it's much cheaper at IKEA. So I feel kind of dumb for getting it elsewhere. It's only $7.99 here, and I think I paid like $15 or $20 for mine. And then I really wanted that plant stand just because it's kind of minimalist and simple, but again, they didn't have it. So all right, so moving on to the actual like live plants that they have. They had a ton of these palms, but get ready to see how pathetic the rest of the houseplant section looked. It's literally deserted. Look at this one lonely snake plant down here, like so sad. It looks like it's a bird's nest snake plant and it's the only one. And then I was trying to find anything besides succulents because they kind of always have a ton of succulents. I do think they're cute, but it's not what I'm looking for. One lonely ZZ plant, and then I tried to move over to the other side in hopes of finding something, but look, empty shelves on empty shelves. It was really sad. Like, I don't know if I just came on a bad day or that's how it always is. Oh man, so as you could see in the video, there was really not much. The only exciting thing for me was that bamboo plant stand, but they didn't have it for sale. I would have bought it if they did. So that was kind of a bummer because I am kind of looking for a plant stand, and there was another one there that I would have even gotten if it was in stock, but that one wasn't in stock either. So as I was leaving, I remembered that they have the best cinnamon buns. Yo, if you guys could smell this right now, I just have to take a bite. I'm sorry. I also got a smoothie, which they put in a paper cup, which was kind of weird. It said pineapple mango. It sounded refreshing, and it was like $1, so or like $1.50. Oh, that's good. I'm surprised. I thought it wouldn't be good. I don't know why. I'm personally not satisfied with that shopping trip, so I'm going to head to Walmart and see what plants they have, and hopefully that lifts my spirits. All right, so Walmart it is, and this was the first thing I see when I walk in, a big strawberry begonia basket. I have actually seen these at Walmart before, so no shocker to me. I also saw some dracaenas, and some of them did not look that good. This actually was pretty interesting. It was like an assorted houseplant mix. It had some Fittonia, some crotons, and some other plants. And I actually don't hate this idea. I think it would be pretty cute for like a Mother's Day gift. They did have the begonia. I believe that's Sinbad, but I could be wrong. They also had this golden pothos, which looked decent. And I was actually really happy to see it because I haven't even found like pothos anywhere. It's been hard to find, so I was happy to see that there, but again, nothing that I was going crazy over. I have heard of other people finding like Monstera perus and Ficus altissimas and Ficus audries at their Walmart, but look at this Walmart. There's a plant fallen over in the back there, just a ton of succulents, which don't even look great, which how hard is it to take care of succulents? It should not be that hard, but they're always like half dead at this Walmart. Some bromeliads fallen over. And then I did find these, but again, nothing too amazing. This was another cool little assortment with some flowers and the polka dot plant and a fern, but I just feel it would be way too hard to take care of, even though it is really pretty. And then, yeah, that was pretty much my Walmart experience because they didn't have anything else. All right, so as you can see, I'm back home with no goodies from Ikea or Walmart. I did see stuff that I wanted, but I don't know what it is with Ikea that lately they just have been out of stock of everything. And I say lately, but really it's been like since the pandemic started. So it's been like a year and a half of this. And I don't know if anybody that watches my videos like knows what's going on, but if you do, can you comment down below and let me know? Because is it because of the pandemic? Is it like, I know that it's like a Swedish brand and maybe like maybe they're having bad COVID outbreaks or no vaccines, or I don't know what it could be COVID related, because I feel like everything else is kind of running back to normal, or like not normal, but like a new normal, right? So Ikea is like the only one that didn't really get stock of stuff. I don't know how to explain it, but I feel like I've been waiting for stuff for a long time. I've put myself on the wait list for a few items and it's taken a couple months, but I do get notifications that it does come back in stock, but you have to like jump on it fast because there's a ton of people waiting for it. That's gonna be the end of this video and I will see you guys in my next video. Definitely leave me recommendations also in the comments of where else you'd like me to go shop at, and I will do that for you guys. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.